Alright guys, we're gonna try this again. I did this one earlier. It just lit off one of my smoke balls, but here we go with the fuse. I'll put you down for it. Alright. Alright, this thing's being really annoying right now. So, alright, I'm sorry guys for the long wait. Oh, here it goes, 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 here it goes. Alright. Here, I'll turn sideways. Alright, it's gonna catch, just takes a little while. Alright, here it's going, it's going. Burn, baby, burn. So as you can see, it's about a 1 minute timer, maybe 1 minute 15 seconds. If you guys want to know how to make one of these, you can just PM me on YouTube. Alright, here. Just get this to burn up a little bit. Sorry, this is a long video, but it's pretty good to use. And as you can see, it's rocketing, which usually doesn't happen, but sometimes it does. So I think it's completely burned out right now. Yep, completely burned. Alright, that's it for this week's episode. Alright, this is